In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to create a favorites list on the TradeLocker platform. Once you are logged into your TradeLocker account, navigate to the Instruments window. To save an instrument to the favorites list, right-click on the one you wish to favorite and then click Add to Favorites. This adds the instrument to your favorites list, which we will view shortly. We will now repeat that process for a few more of our favorite instruments. Once we have updated our list, we can now access our favorites list by clicking the Favorites button to the right. This will automatically filter your instrument list to show only the instruments we wish to view. If you want to remove an instrument from your favorites list, just repeat the process. Right-click on the instrument you wish to remove and select Remove from Favorites, and it will no longer appear in your favorites list. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.